With the long-lasting shadow of the 2024 recession, a lot of individuals are worried about their financial future. But what if I told you that your spending habits, rather than your income, can be your most effective tool? Watch this space to find out how this straightforward idea can save your finances this year. Although hearing the word recession can make anyone shudder, bad things don't always follow. We're going to explore how adopting a thrifty lifestyle might help you not only weather the 2024 recession, but also prosper in it. This video can serve as your guide to navigating financial storms, regardless of your experience level with savings and budgeting. Let's harness the potential of economical life. Number 1. Understanding frugal living. Let's first define modest living in more detail. It's about optimizing value and reducing waste, not about eliminating all pleasures from your life. It's being able to distinguish between needs and wants and making decisions based on that knowledge. But in what specific ways may this change in perspective help amid a downturn in the economy? We will now move on to the replies. Knowing how to live frugally is just the beginning. We'll then look at how this strategy can change your regular spending. How much you can save may surprise you. Number 2. Reducing everyday expenses. The core of frugal living is cutting back on regular spending. Imagine reducing your utility, grocery, and travel bills without compromising your standard of living. Using coupons, choosing public transportation, and cutting back on energy use are easy first steps. A dollar saved brings one step closer to financial stability. However, living frugally involves more than just saving money. Come along to discover out. Reducing day-to-day costs is important, but tackling major expenses is where frugality really shows its strength. Are you prepared to go farther? Continue watching. Number 3. Major financial commitments. Let's discuss your 3 main financial obligations: debt, vehicles, and housing. These are frequently the areas with the most savings. You might want to consider downsizing, refinancing, or moving to a less costly area. Remember that a stable, fuel-efficient car is better than an ostentatious pricey one when making auto purchases. Pay off high-interest loans first in order to reduce your debt and raise your monthly income. But on this frugal journey, how can you maintain your motivation? We'll talk about that next. Although making thrifty decisions can be difficult at first, there are many advantages that go well beyond your cash account. Stay tuned for some inspiring rationale for adopting this way of life. Number 4. Beyond money, the hidden benefits. Frugal living is a way of life that encourages simplicity, mindfulness, and sustainability rather than just being economical. Less worry, more flexibility, and a greater understanding of what really matters are the results. There are benefits to living frugally that money cannot purchase. However, I am aware of your question: how do I start? I've got you covered, so don't worry. You have observed how living frugally may improve both your life and your finances, particularly during difficult times such as a recession. The time to act is now. Begin modestly, evaluate your expenses, and pinpoint areas where you can make savings. Recall that being thrifty is about making wiser decisions for a future that is more secure, not about going without. Click the like button, forward this video to others who might benefit from it, and subscribe to receive more actionable, transformative guidance when you're ready to embark on this path. Together, we can approach the recession of 2024 with confidence rather than fear. Before you leave a comment below with one cost-cutting measure you want to implement.